everybody, today I'm doing a comparison video between these two bags, which I think are pretty popular in the Chanel luxury community. So this one is the Chanel Kelly in the calfskin leather gold hardware, and this one launched I believe a year or two ago. And then this is the newest Coco handle. This is from the newest collection, which is I think 25p, and this is in the extra mini and not the micro, not the SLG version. This is the one bigger than the SLG, and this is also the size bigger than the SLG. So here's a visual comparison. Front, side, back, other side, and they both do not have feet at the bottom. You can see that the Kelly has the quilting. As for the Coco handle, it does not. Both straps are attached and not detachable. This one is in the age gold hardware, and this one is in the champagne gold hardware. You can tell that it's significantly lighter. It can pull silver, and this is a true yellow gold. And there is a Mona Lisa smile pocket on the Coco handle, and the Kelly does not have that. As far as the chain length, the Kelly is definitely longer. Let me hold it up. So at the top of both bags, like that, and this is the difference, maybe like an inch, maybe longer. And top handle for both, it does fit the crook of the arm-ish, kind of. Actually, no, it does not. The Coco handle does not fit the crook of my arm, or it does not fit in the crook of my arm, but the Kelly does fit in the crook of my arm. Both top handles easily, and the attachments for the Coco handle is on the top of the strap. As for the Chanel Kelly, it is on opposite sides of the handle. So when you open this flap, it is on opposite sides. So one here and one on the opposite side. And both are, of course, the signature closure, which is the twist lock. This one twists open and it's in more of a tote style, and this one is just open like so. No compartments for both, and both do have the, let me empty this out. With the Kelly, the interior does have some compartments. Right here there's a slip pocket here and a zipper pocket on the other side, but it's just a opening like that. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it does fit okay, so the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is the biggest size of them all, does fit like that with a thin case on it. And as you can see, you still have plenty of compartments. And I have my Chanel card holder. Put it in there and you still have plenty of space. Car keys. Put it to the side. Still plenty of space. Probably put more lipsticks, lip gloss. And that doesn't even cover the top portion of the bag. And when closed, it's still pretty flat. It doesn't bulge out, and that's all I typically keep in my bags anyway, is just my wallet and my keys. I don't even put my phone in my bags most of the time since I'm always on it. But that is the size comparison for that. As for the mini or extra mini Coco handle, definitely does not fit much of anything. You can put some cards in the backer here. So I have like an eyeglass cleaner. This is how it looks in there. So it's just whatever you prefer. I think I'm just gonna keep that there. The phone definitely does not fit. Like, it's definitely bigger than the purse. But it does fit a card holder. Oh, I forgot to show the interior. On the interior of the bag, it does have some slip pockets right here, so you don't necessarily need to bring a wallet. You can just put your cards in there, but I typically bring my card holder. That's how it looks. And my car keys, which you can put to the side. And then some lipsticks, a blotting sheet, maybe like a thin pack of gum you can put to the side as well. And it fits just fine. And you still have some space on the top. And it closes just fine. And I like that this one, the opening isn't as big that a lipstick would fall out. If you're familiar with other Coco handle bags, they have bigger openings at the top, which could be, you know, your lipsticks could fall out in that sense. But this is how that looks. For mod shots, I am 5 foot, size large-ish. And I'm gonna do mod shots, so this is just how it looks handheld. And I wouldn't really wear it like this top handle just because it's so low. This is my waist, my hips, and it's way below my hips. Same with the like, look at that, that's super low. But my preferred way is crossbody, so this is where both bags hit me. So as you can see, the Coco handle sits up a little higher. So again, this is my waist, and it's right at my waist, the top of the handle, but so is the Kelly. So I guess, but also the Kelly is bigger, but it does hit much lower, as you can see. But this is how both bags look on me. I just love them both. They're so cute. They are obviously different styles, and you can wear them different ways. I do like that they do not have the detachable strap. Is not a big deal to me. I do like it just because either way you can tuck the chains in the bag, but I also use it as an accessory. I like how that looks just hanging flat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Please follow me on all my socials and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!